Hello, my name is Andrew, and this is my brother Chris. We're with Ewert Energy Systems, and we're demoing a device that we've recently developed here for the Prius that allows it to travel up to 70 miles an hour in electric-only mode. What you see here is the display that we've developed specifically for this. You can see that we've got the current flow on the top, pack voltage, state of charge of the battery, and then the vehicle speed on the bottom, right below the miles per gallon. So I'll try and focus on these so you can see. And we're in electric mode right now. So you can see right now the speedometer of the vehicle is reaching 42, 47. So we've passed right now, we've passed the limits by the OEM limits, 52. We've just passed the forced stealth mode limits, and we are now traveling up to, we're going to try and reach speeds of up to 65 to 70 miles an hour on this chart, or on this run here. Again, we're in all electric mode. Verify this, we look at the OEM mode here, and you can see as we're accelerating, the miles per gallon is staying steady at 99. Likewise, if you look at our display here, you can see that the catalytic converter is at 23 degrees Celsius, which is way too low if we were actually burning gasoline. A typical catalytic converter is around 400, 500 degrees Celsius under load. And you see we're traveling steadily at about 60 miles per hour. 61. Okay, now at this point I'd like to switch us over to our enhanced, actually I'm going to hold on. A little bit faster here. Alright. We're going to try and push a little bit more out of it. Right now we're traveling at 60. We get that up to a little bit faster. Yep. Alright. 62. 65. You notice the current draw here is excessive. We're pulling over 100 amps on average, which is the limit, of course, for the Prius pack at the moment. Alright. Okay. At this point, we're going to switch to our enhanced stealth mode. As you can see here, we're switching over to our stealth mode. At this point, the ICE has just kicked in. That would be the internal combustion engine. You can see the catalytic converter is very rapidly rising now. We're going through a controlled warm-up cycle to moderate the emissions coming from the vehicle, prevent it from emitting more CO2 than, or hydrocarbons than the other EV modes would enable. And once the catalytic converter reaches a certain temperature, we will switch over to a normal drive here. You see we're upwards of about 70 miles an hour right now. So now we've just switched over to regular drive, and so now we see, if we look at the mileage screen, we see it's starting to dip. It's still going, actually we're still over 100 miles per gallon. If we take a look at the average here, right now under normal driving conditions we're pulling at about 170 miles per gallon average, which is well above any other previously observed conversion system, and that's because our enhanced hybrid mode allows us to favor heavily the electric motor versus the gasoline engine, as with a traditional Prius would only use the gasoline engine at this point. So now we're approaching we're sitting about 65 miles an hour, 63 miles per hour. As you can see, the mileage is staying steady, and take a look here at the OEM screen. You see that there's it's exactly as we would be hoping for. It's well over 100 miles per gallon on the OEM screen, and this is again with the ice actually running. Now, just for kicks, we're going to switch back to electric mode, just so we can demonstrate that this shifts back and forth seamlessly. On the display we see here, we're in electric mode. The mileage went up to 999, which would be the limit, of course, for the OEM screen confirms this. We're now in electric only mode, and the catalytic converter temperature is dropping, which would be consistent with the ice being completely off. Amperage draw is maintaining itself at about 100 amps, which would be, I mean, of course, at these speeds, the key factor is that the engine can't, or the motor can't keep up with the wind resistance is what it's fighting right now to maintain the vehicle speed. So there you have it. 70 miles an hour. 69. Get one more mile out of that. 70. There we go. 70 miles per hour in all electric mode. There you have it, folks. 70 miles an hour in all electric mode in a Toyota Prius. Thank you.